In this video, let us discuss about the job loss and creation due to the agriculture droughts. The jobs plays an important role in aspects of economy, whether it is going to be a small scale or a large scale form. So the drones are actually going to be the gadgets which improve the production of crops and in terms of energy that is required to conduct certain agronomic operations. And when drones are introduced, the skill labor gets reduced, but these drones have high impact on the cost of crop production. After a survey in United States of America, there is a report that 70,000 jobs were involved in farm drones, which is actually created from 2012, and it could increase to as much as possible because of the drones. And in California, 12,500 jobs related to drone protection was created, and the drone usage could actually inject 2.39 billion US dollars in California's farm business. And in Great Britain, the House of Lords committed that the discussion about the usage of drones for the farm sector. So the usage of drones rapidly into different regions, alterations in job, and it creates actually various recent jobs according to the drone technology. And hence the training courses are developed by universities and aircraft management training schools, where actually the farmers need to be trained to run their drones.